Hello, it's Mike, Burton Caravan Centre. Just doing the handover for your Coachman VIP 545. Just starting on the offside of the caravan, and we've got the cassette toilet, and we have this. Use your key, drop the flap down. That's your fresh water fill for your toilet flush. You can add a pink chemical fragrance to that. Quantity as per the instructions on the bottle. Dropping down to here, so we've got the hatch. Press the buttons, you can use the key to undo those locks. So squeeze the orange handle vertical and remove the cassette toilet. Turn through 90 degrees, unscrew the cap, empty the contents, refill with blue chemical as per the instructions. Turn back through 90 degrees, push it back home, make sure that's clicked in there. Use your key if you wish to relock it. This is your exit for your grey water from your shower and from the sinks. I'll show you the motor mover when you collect the caravan later this week. So we've got the inspection panel drop down, and we've got the mains 240 volt there. That's where the battery's going to go, which I'm going to put you on in a bit later on. We've got the aqua roll here set up, and we have the water pump connected in there. To release, just squeeze that button down there, and that pulls out nice and easy, and back in again. Make sure that the pump is submerged in the water. Coming around to the near side on the caravan. We've got the gas barbecue point there. All the equipment in the caravan. Gas pipe there connected up to the regulator, all ready to go. Step inside the caravan. I've lifted the cushions on the front right hand side. A couple of things underneath here. There are two yellow toggle switches there. They're both lying in the horizontal position, which is normal operation for bringing water into the caravan. If you were to drain down for frost protection or winter, you flick them both into the vertical position and leave them vertical like so. Okay. Also down in here we have your bank of 12 volt fuses there, and listed underneath is what they are all protecting. And also we've got your 240 volt trips and your reset, and they're listed underneath what they are protecting as well. So to bring power into the caravan, above the door you've got the master switch there. That brings the power into the caravan. That's the water pump on to bring the water into the caravan. That puts power to all the lights in the caravan. Awning exterior light, nice and straightforward. Then we move across to the Aldi system here. So power on button here, over to the menu, press the menu button. For example, there is the temperature inside the caravan with the heating on. It's 12 degrees, which it doesn't need to be. It's a bit warm today. You can increase it, decrease it by pressing the plus or the minus buttons there. The next one down is for hot water. So you can either fulfill the triangle there by pressing the plus there, and that's hot water. That's medium hot water, and that's off hot water. Nice and straightforward. You've got 3 kilowatts. You can have 2 kilowatts or 1 kilowatt of electricity. That varies obviously what site. Some sites give you 16 amps, some only give you 10 amps, so you need to just fluctuate that between those power settings. We're on 3 kilowatts, we've got plenty of power here. If you want to put it onto gas, you press the gas flame, and that takes over, obviously turning the electric off there. It self ignites, and you can run the system on gas. Really straightforward. So on the hob and the grill and the oven, we've got one igniter does all in the middle here. To light those, just press and hold in for 4 or 5 seconds after it's lit. That's fine. There's another one lit. That's all 3 gas burners working. That's fine. Electric hot plates on. Yeah, that's kicking some heat out. That's lovely. Let's try the grill. Yep, perfect. And finally the oven. There we go, oven's working as it should. Move across to the fridge. Power on to the fridge is this black button here. Brings the power on. You can see we're on electric. Press this button here. We go to battery. This is the vehicle battery. The reason it's flashing is because we're not connected to a vehicle, so it's alarming to say, why aren't we connected? So there's nothing wrong with that. Press it again. Sorry, this one, press it again. It goes on to gas and it self-ignites the gas. Or you can go on to automatic, where it draws gas and electric. And if one of the gas drops out, the electric will take over. If the electric drops out, the gas will take over. Or you can purely have it on just electric there. Temperature settings in the fridge, you can have a minimum up to a maximum. That's been on for half an hour or so now, so it's nice and cool in here. And the freezer box is starting to freeze up, so that's all good. Plenty of water pressure in the taps. Yeah, and hot water coming through there. I'm happy with that. Microwave power is on, as it should. Lights are all on in the caravan. Try the vanity sink for hot water. Perfect. I'm not going to put the shower on because it's all been cleaned out. Electric flush on the toilet. The toilet is a swivel toilet. And also underneath there is a slide valve there to empty the contents into the cassette below. Bedroom lights are on, all working as it should. So there we go, one fully operational Coachman VIP 545, and I look forward to seeing you guys when you come to collect your caravan.